This is your quadratic function lesson. One formula to use in order to solve for a quadratic function is y equals a squared plus bx plus c. Your example, y equals negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Your first step would be to find the x-intercepts. In order to find the x-intercepts, you will plug in 0 for y, leaving this equation. Negative x squared minus 2x minus 3. You would then factor this equation to get x plus 3 times x minus 1. The x-intercepts would be x1 equals 3 and x2 equals negative 1. Step 2. Find the y-intercepts. The y-intercept is the constant term. The constant term of this equation is 3. So now we could graph this. You could draw your graph out. So let's first plot our x-intercepts. Now, finding that the constant term or the y-intercept is 3, we can plot that on the y-axis. Now, we need to find the vertex. In order to find the vertex, we have to plug in for x. We know that x equals 3 and x equals negative 1. So we're going to plug in negative 1. So now your equation will be negative 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 3, which will equal 4. So your vertex will be 1 and 4. So now we have to plot that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 3. Oh, step 4. We need to figure out if the graph is being graphed up or down. To figure out, we need to find out if the coefficient on x squared is negative or positive. Going back to the equation, it looks like the coefficient is negative. The coefficient would be negative 1. So the graph will be graphing down. This is your quadratic function lesson.